Yeah, good morning. I'm here again. My name is Mustafa, as earlier as I've explained. So I just want to use this moment to define my page on this TikTok. Understand? My page comprises of two things. You understand? As you can see, you understand? I'm a chemistry holder by qualification. You understand? So and I'm also solar generator technician. So this my TikTok account. I'll be explaining what I'll be posting my product like solar generator that I constructed with lithium battery. So I'll be posting it on this my TikTok page. You understand? So if you want to learn how to construct lithium battery, you can chat me on WhatsApp. You understand? And if you want to buy a solar generator of very qualitative and affordable one, you understand, you can also contact me. That is for that. I'll be posting my product once after a while. And secondly, the most important aspect is what this is for students. You understand? If you are a student in university, this video is for you. If you are a secondary student, this video is for you. Almost all what I'm going to be taught is chemistry. I'm going to take teaching chemistry, let me say like subject after subject, topic after topic. You understand? So for university students, I'm going to start with level 100. And in level 100, I'm going to start with what? Molecular chemistry, which is what? Analytical chemistry. You understand? In level 1, which is in Nigeria, mostly in Nigeria, most university, level 100 analytical chemistry is almost the same thing. It's just a little different that can differentiate them. You understand? So I'm going to be teaching what analytical chemistry in level 1, level 100. Maybe from there I can upgrade taking physical chemistry or organic chemistry or level 3. You understand? So but mainly now I'm going to start with what? Analytical chemistry level 100 students. So if you are a level 100 student, this video is for you. Please try to follow my page, like, please also share so that our fellow students can benefit from it. You understand? Because and in that analytical chemistry, I'm not going to base on theoretical. Just know that, because theoretical, you by yourself can try to what? You can try to read and you understand it. But in chemistry aspect in generally, mostly what I'm going to be talking about is what? Is a calculation aspect, understandable aspect. You know, chemistry is have different kind of nature. Chemistry is not about cramming. You understand? Chemistry is not about cramming. It's just about understanding. When you get the methodology, like let me say for electronic configuration, you can't cram it. But when you understand it, when you got the method and the methodology of everything, you'll be able to write electronic configuration of any element given to you. You understand? Let's say oxidation number, atomic number. You understand? All those, you don't have to cram it. You just have to have what? Methodology. You understand? I know mostly when we are in primary school or secondary school, they will be asking you to cram first 20 elements, which is normal. But even though you go to, nobody has to cram any element in your head. You understand? Nobody is going to ask you for you to cram any element. The only thing that they will give you the element with the what? Atomic mass or the molecular weight. It is for you to use that one to find all what you want to have. So nobody will ask you that you must know the exactly molecular mass of any element. No, they must give it to you. That is why in calculation, if they have to find the molar mass, or they can have to find the mass, or they will not give you that the molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 98 gram per mole. They must give it to you. If they did not give it to you, they must give you the what? Atomic number of everything. They must say carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, and H is 1. From this data given to you, you'll be able to calculate it. So I'm going to be teaching only calculating part, like understandable part. I'm not going to touch theoretical aspects. So now I'm going to start for all level students, like for university student level 1, I'm going to start with analytical chemistry level 100. Why in secondary school students, I think we are going to start with what? Let's start with a periodic table. You understand? So I'm going to divide the classes. You understand? I'll be doing video for both university students and for secondary. You understand? So if you are a secondary school student, this video is for you. Try to follow my page, like, and the most important thing is for you to share, because when you share, other students are going to see it and also benefit from it. And that is not all. So now, for university students, this is the course. I just want to start the course right now. This is my first video. I just try to see that, okay, since I have this knowledge, why can't I impart it to my fellow students? You understand? So this is what I'll be doing. Analytical chemistry, physical chemistry. Important one is organic chemistry. I love organic chemistry very well. And if anybody, if you're already university student, organic chemistry don't need for you to cram. It's just for you to understand it, have the knowledge. They don't cram in organic chemistry. You understand? You don't cram in organic chemistry. And apart from that, if we come to analytical chemistry, you understand, we are going to do some practical aspects, but it's according to our scheme of work. Gradually, when we come to talk about analytical chemistry, understand, it is from there. Like, let's, for example, secondary schools that you see, once it is WAEC time, when it is WAEC time, even practical will be giving them stress. When you try to follow my page, I'm going to teach you most important thing in secondary is titration. Titration, which is very easy, but since because you don't know the method, you don't know how to do it, you have to wait for your teacher to bring result for you or answer to before you start copying. So we are going to do a practical. You understand? I'm going to show you. We are like, in short form, this my video is going to control what analytical chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, and practical, making it 4. So we are going to be doing a lot of practical. I'll be uploading it on here, you understand? And you are free to ask any question in any part you don't understand. You can ask question, you understand? You are going to ask question. You can see I have a lot of things that we are going to use for our practical. There are a lot of machinery here that I'll be telling you what is the use. You can see spectroscopic, you can see pH meter, conductivity, TDS, you understand? We have a lot of things, you understand, that I'm going to be showing you on the video, you understand? And by grace of God, if you are a chemistry lover, you are a chemistry student, you are going to learn a lot, you understand? So what you just have to do is that, if you just try to follow my page, please share, you understand? Share so that other people will benefit from it. Share. Please don't forget to follow me. This is just, I'm about to start this course. This is my first video on chemistry. I think I'm going to upload a video today, mostly for level 1 students, analytical chemistry. You understand? And maybe you already finished your secondary school. You are having intention for you to start university or polytechnic. This analytical chemistry calculating part is very important to you. Try to follow it gradually, then understand it. Then you are going to, any part you don't understand, you are free to ask me question. I'm also going to drop my WhatsApp number, you understand? Because if anybody has any question, you can talk to me. And secondly, I'm also going to be assisting you. Maybe you are in secondary school or university. Especially, I love calculation, especially calculation. You understand, in chemistry. Maybe assignment was given to you, you can talk to me. I'm going to help you out, you understand? I love chemistry because chemistry is reality. If you know it, you know it. So don't even bother yourself for you to cram anything in chemistry. You don't cram in chemistry, you just understand. You understand? So we are going to be doing analytical chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, that is where mechanism come. In mechanism, I think this one is for level 400 to level 300 students. Mechanism, you don't have to cram. You just have to understand. You understand? So we are going to do a lot of practical. In our school today, maybe you can even see in the group that it contains 100 students, but they will only have, in titration, it's only one apparatus that they have. So you have to be climbing each other for you to be able to see. You understand? So I'm going to be talking about practical a lot. Please try to follow my page. Please share so that other people will benefit. Thank you. Please follow my page. Once again, my name is Mustafa. Thank you.